Hey guys, this is the start of my moving vlog 3, or essentially the start of my apartment real fixing it up type of moment. I just went grocery shopping, and I don't know if you guys have seen online, but everyone's talking about the carnivore diet, or just like a diet where it's certain foods on a plate. I'll put pictures in the frame, but I'm basically gonna try it. I kind of already eat like this, but I want to really go for it. So here's a little grocery haul. Also, my skin is looking a little crazy. I just have self tanner on. Alice gets in tomorrow because she's gonna help me do my kitchen, fix me up. So grocery haul. Paper towel. I love this cold brew. It's on sale. Well, it was on sale. It's normally like 13 bucks. Can you believe I can get like 4 coffees out of this? And I normally pay like $7 for a nice coffee. So this is like half the price of what I would pay at a coffee shop. Organic half and half. I've just been doing whole milk. I do still like almond milk, but I haven't really been having that. And half. Probiotic yogurt. My dad eats this one and I really liked it. Anything with probiotics, organic, always so good. So I'm obsessed with aloe vera juice. I love adding this into water or just making it really, really cold and sipping on it on a hot summer day. Aloe vera is so good for you. By the way, everything in total costs $99.43, $99.73. That's after all the discounts and stuff like that. Bananas, I figured Alice and I could eat the yogurt and bananas as a snack. I have 2 avocados up top right now, but I got 2 more. I have a carton of eggs already, but these were also on sale. Ooh, this one's a little broken. These were on sale. A lemon. I don't eat meat, I eat eggs and fish, so canned tuna, cooked salmon, smoked salmon. Sweet potato, I like to eat sweet potato and rice as my carb. I do like gluten-free toast, but that can get pretty expensive. All of these sweet potatoes were $3.15. I like watched it on the thing, where like gluten-free toast is $10 for a loaf, which is crazy. I am loving blueberries right now, so blueberries for sure. Dates. So what I've been seeing is people have been taking a date, cutting it open, and then putting a slice of cheese in it. So I'm gonna try that. So some Olipop. This is cherry cola, strawberry vanilla, lemon lime. So all this, 100 bucks. Not bad for everything being organic and bought from Whole Foods. I don't know, do we even know anymore? I have this date. I've been seeing people put cheese in the date. Oh my gosh. This is an espresso rind white cheese. A Sartori cheese. Tons of fiber in the dates. Wow. The dates with the cheese, maybe like 3 dates with the cheese. Half of an avocado, 2 eggs scrambled. I have to make that. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna go shower because I'm disgusting.
And wine on that business class Amtrak.
Well, and vodka, you said, right?
Oh, I had 2 tequila sodas before Amtrak.
How are you not falling over?
I don't know, because I slept for 4 hours last night after 2 espresso martinis and a glass of wine.
About to hang up a plant I got today. Yeah. You like your swing? And I got my herbs outside. Don't play with the plant, mama. This is what I just did here. Glorious. You look so cute.
Oh, wow, I love this.
What are we having for dinner? Healthy shrimp bowl. Okay, let's get it going. Here we go. What are you doing here?
So I rinsed out the shrimp and I took off all the tails. Okay, this is raw shrimp. You don't want cooked shrimp because we gonna cook it ourselves. Okay. All I need from you is I need paprika. I need the minced garlic. I need salt, pepper, and I need butter.
Okay, butter, salt, sesame seeds, paprika.
Oh yeah.
Chili flakes.
That's perfect.
Pepper. Shrimp, broccoli.
So this is our topping. So we're not gonna actually add this into the shrimp until after the fact.
Yeah. Medium heat.
So I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and paprika. Just want to get this all nice and mixed up. And then while the butter is warming up, we're also gonna put a little bit of this in with the butter. And then we're gonna cook the shrimp in that.
Your girl needs to stop drinking alcohol because I tend to drink 2 glasses of something and then maybe take a shot. Like maybe 2 glasses of wine or have 2 glasses of wine
wine in a cocktail, completely off the walls. And by off the walls, saying something very out of pocket in a monotone voice. We have a non-alcoholic IPA. I'm gonna put some ice.
You can actually put a little bit more butter if you want.
Okay, she said more butter. Yes, chef.
Okay. Okay, you said the foil somewhere.
Very IPA.
Yeah, this literally tastes like a straight up beer. That's perfect for people who are like, got drinking problems and you're like, yeah, here you go.
She's in a date.
Did you say cheese and what?
She's in a date. She's in a date.
We were craving shrimp, so instead of going to Isabel's for shrimp skewers, we decided to make our own shrimp and broccoli stir-fry bowls. We first went to Whole Foods and got 1 pound of uncooked.
No, we first went down to the ocean and we took our nets and we scraped the bottom of the ocean floor to collect
for shrimp.
We ripped off all their legs and de-organed them, took them home to wash them to start this beautiful shrimp meal.
We made our own homemade butter and our own chili oil.
Girl.
Dude.
I like to do like 2 solid scoops of rice, right?
2 solid scoops.
Or whatever you feeling, you know. Broccoli.
Okay, we're installing this flooring. This is laminate flooring?
It's vinyl.
Vinyl flooring. Alice put me onto this idea. She watches like a ton of home improvement people. This flooring is gonna be so sick. It already looks amazing. Doesn't it look great already?
It just really transforms the space.
Home improvement update. Alice and I built this dresser. You can't see the full thing because the TV is in the way. She looks so pretty. She looks so expensive. I'll drop the link so you guys can have it. And then my cute little orchid. I got the vase at the plant shop and then this orchid at Whole Foods. She is so cute. It's me and my future wife.
And your wife.
Alice just helped me. I got the wrong sized rug. I got an 8x10. An 8x10 ivory rug that actually came in beige, and then I realized I needed a 5x7 in ivory, so I ordered that. She just literally manhandled that bee to UPS. I ordered my new rug. We're dressed up. We're looking cute. We're on our way to the beach. Alice also, in other news, is getting married next year, and she is like the queen of all things bridal. So I'm not sure if any of you guys are looking for that or into that. You guys can totally follow her TikTok. Because you do bridal stuff still, right?
On TikTok, yeah.
Yeah. She also drops all of these like designer names, cuts, waists, and I'm just like, yeah, okay, gotta take notes. Anyways, I'm wearing a cute little outfit. We're gonna take some Lorelai content, our jewelry line, and we're gonna just hang out at the beach. We're gonna catch the last of the UV for the day. It's 4:30, but it's 83 degrees right now. I think I might take a melatonin and magnesium tonight because I gotta like knock out pretty good. You know?
Yeah. That sounds good.
Have you been sleeping okay?
Oh, I've been out like a light.
Oh.
Out like a light.
Set. This is a whole set. Some plug plates. We got a switch plate. This looks like a switch plate. It looks like a very old school switch plate.
Those are so pretty.
This
like.
This is a double switch plate.
Look how darling this is.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom stuff. Look at the shower head here. Look at these sinks. These like old school sinks.
What is this?
Oh, sideways you put a bar in that hole. So there should be 2. You hold a bar and it holds towels. That's really, really, really cute. Yep. And then you put the bar. Is there another one?
Yeah, it's a pack. And then there's the bar.
That's really cute. Would that go in my bathroom? Wish the bar was like more white. That bar looks a little tan.
You can spray paint it. You can chrome it.
Look at these crystal ones. Alice, what are 2 things you love about LA and 2 things you hate about LA?
The 2 things I love and 2 things I hate.
Yeah.
After being out of it, now I love the atmosphere. The liveliness of the city, because now I live in such a soft, slow paced
living, like it really makes me appreciate the liveliness of a big city.
Okay.
Don't get me wrong, Denver is big, but it's not as big as this. So now I appreciate when I come here, there's always something's happening. I think the beauty of the liveliness is you can just get up and decide you want to go do something that day, and you never have to second guess that anywhere you're gonna go, there's something always open. You can go enjoy whatever it is we want to do. And the other thing I love is the food. Love the food. I love the liveliness of the city, and I love the food. All the coffee.
So food, all the coffee, the options, the differences, and then there's always something to do.
Yes.
Okay, 2 things you strongly dislike. We won't say hate.
I still hate the traffic.
I will be honest, since you've been here though, we've been cruising.
And by traffic,
Denver has traffic, bro.
yeah, they do too now.
Yeah.
But the thing is, what drives me crazy here is the fact that it's absolutely, I hate the lack of patience here, as I guess is what I should say, when it comes to the traffic. Not even like 2 seconds into a light turning green, someone has to honk at you.
True.
I just be like, move! And then there's just, unfortunately, just like 5 million homeless people here.
Yeah, the homelessness is so insane.
I'm really excited.
Hey everybody. Alright, what are we cheersing to? This is the last cheers. We're gonna cheers to our business, pulling in at least 5K a month starting in July.
Yeah, please support Lorelai.
She's wearing it.
Listen, that money's gonna help me pay for my wedding. Please help me pay for my wedding.
She wants her dream wedding and her dream dress.
Yes.
We love you. We got a drink. Let me seal the deal. Oh.
Watching boyfriends take pictures of their girlfriends makes me so happy. This guy's getting the angles.
You just sim it.
It's what?
I'm being mean, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Diet Coke.